Alright boys, slightly different video plan for today. I've been talking about it for a while. My driver's side headlight is messed up. What's going on, guys? Today we're going to try to figure out how to swap the headlight motors of a C5 Corvette. This is what the headlights look and sound like right now. All right, let's close it. And that's why we're changing the headlight motors. We're gonna replace this light first because this is the unaligned light that I was talking about in the last video. So even if we mess up the motor, at least we'll be able to realign the panel correctly. So we're gonna spin this clockwise to open the headlight, but we're gonna disconnect it first. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you do that. Go ahead. We got it off. We got it off eventually. I feel like we're doing something wrong.
You said clockwise.
Yeah, I think that's it. Oh. How did you get this off? Okay, there we go. Gotta like finesse it off of it. The rubber things are. Okay. Now we're opening the light. Thank you. I'm assuming we're spinning it the other way right now because it's the other light. He was doing the driver's side light. So what we did now is we manually opened this light. After disconnecting it, we spun it counterclockwise, and now the light looks like this. Now we're gonna figure out the next step. Next, we're gonna take off the bezel of this black piece. We're gonna try to get the headlight cover off first and then finish taking off the bezel. All right, guys, I managed to get all 4 screws out all by myself without any help from the guy behind the camera. So we're gonna go ahead and get this piece off. Oh, we didn't even need to take that off. What the hell? You can stop the recording. All right, guys, right now we're trying to open up this screw nut setup that holds these hinges together. I don't know if you can see that. They're in very rough condition and extremely hard to open right now. All right, while he continues to open up those hinges, we're gonna open up the new motors. This is what the new motors are looking like. All right, right now I'm trying to get the hinge opened up. It doesn't look like it wants to. Okay. No. Okay, never mind. We're good. Everything's good. It's okay. So we got those out. Light is down. Motor's right here. This is the bump stop. Let's go. All right, guys, we're finishing up taking off the original motor. We are running out of light, so we gotta make this fast. Last bolt. Now the fun part. Ooh. Oh. Oh my God, he taped them. The last owner taped these connectors for some reason. We're about to find out why. And then we're gonna go ahead and get the new motor on. Out with the old, in with the new.
I remember this one. Where's the laser digging?
We don't know which one goes where, so we're just plugging them in. And we're gonna pray that I don't have to open this car up again for the same light.
You got the bolts? Finish tightening these.
New motor is in and looks like this. Lights on or no?
Only one. Nah, bro.
One of the pieces that holds the headlight cover is just completely broken off, so we're trying to fix that right now with speed tape.
Don't know where we got it from. Just had to buy it. Hold.
Alright guys, we just somewhat successfully replaced the motor on the light right here. If you can see, I don't have my mic on, so if the audio is bad, that's why. I'm trying to get the exposure down, but it is right, and we did it.